Hey there, fellow video editors. If you're scratching your head over error code 5 in Sony Vegas Pro 15, don't worry, I've got you covered. This pesky error can halt your projects in their tracks, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. Let's dive right in. First off, what is error code 5? In Sony Vegas Pro 15, this error typically signals a "access is denied" issue. It's your computer's way of saying, "Hey, I can't let you do that right now." This could pop up when you're trying to render a video, import files, or save your project. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common reasons include insufficient file permissions. Maybe the program doesn't have the rights to access certain folders. Another culprit could be antivirus software blocking Vegas Pro, thinking it's a threat. Corrupted installation files or outdated drivers might also be to blame, especially if you're on an older system setup. Alright, time for the good part. Solutions. Start by running Sony Vegas Pro as an administrator. Right-click the application icon, select Run as Administrator, and see if that bypasses the error. If that doesn't work, check your file paths. Ensure the files you're working with aren't in a restricted folder like program files. Try moving them to your desktop and retry. Next, disable your antivirus temporarily while using Vegas Pro. Remember to turn it back on afterward to stay safe. If the problem persists, reinstall Sony Vegas Pro 15. Download the latest version from the official site, as updates might have fixed this issue by 2025. And don't forget to update your graphics drivers, they often play a role in software glitches. One more tip. If you're on Windows, use the built-in Troubleshooter for apps. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, and run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. There you have it. Simple steps to get back to editing. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.